Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by making the hub safe to work on. Chock the wheels, jack the trailer, and support the axle. Once lifted, remove the wheel and expose the brake assembly. You want the caliper off the rotor, unbolt the mount, then hang the caliper clear so it doesn't stress the brake hose. After that, remove the pads and rotor. Doing this early prevents contamination and gives you clear access to the dust cap and spindle nut for the next stage. With the rotor removed, pry off the dust cap carefully to reveal the cotter pin and castle nut. Remove the cotter pin and unscrew the nut and washer. You should be able to slide the hub assembly off the spindle by hand. If it resists, apply penetrating oil, tap the hub with a dead blow mallet, or use a 2-jaw puller to even out the force. Once the hub moves, lift it clear to expose bearings and the seal so you can inspect damage and clean surfaces. After the hub is off, inspect bearings, races, and the seal for pitting or discoloration. Replace any damaged bearings and always fit a new seal. Pack bearings with marine or wheel bearing grease, slide the hub back onto the spindle, reinstall the washer and nut, and set per load before torquing to the manufacturer's spec. Then secure with a cotter pin. Once reassembled, put the rotor, caliper, and wheel back on, lower the trailer, torque lugs, and test roll.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.